Today I'm going to show you a really simple recipe for your next long run or bike ride when you're totally blowing out on dry energy bars. That recipe involves a simple potato. It makes a delicious savory treat for the next time you're on the go. I'm going to wash these potatoes, peel off some of the marks that I see, and all I need to do is give this little potato a slice. Now that I've got my hot potatoes ready to go, all I'm gonna do is basically garnish them in a bowl. I've got a little bit of olive oil. You can be pretty generous with this because olive oil is awesome. Garnish with some salt, a little cracked pepper, and for some umami magic, douse this stuff with some grated Parmesan cheese. If you get the timing right on this, the Parmesan will actually melt over these hot potatoes. So that's basically it. It's a boiled potato, garnished in olive oil, Parmesan, pepper, and salt. Make sure you taste this. Not only is that super delicious, but the simplicity of it is why it performs so well when you're on the go. On a long bike ride or a long run, it's the perfect carbohydrate supplement with plenty of water so that you stay fueled, you also stay hydrated, and it doesn't upset your stomach or your gut. So all we need to do now is wrap these bad boys and we're ready to go. You can find this full recipe and more at triathlete.com.